So I figured I would give you guys a tour of Kylie's room because I tried to do a couple of other videos earlier and well, my front facing camera isn't working, so we're just gonna have to make do with the back camera. Sorry, I'm like out of breath or something. I just ate. Take a deep breath. All right. So this is her room. And it's all pink and gold, as you can see. Pink, gray, and gold, and white. This is like her little dresser area. She doesn't actually keep her clothes in there. There's actually no clothes in there at all. She has some pictures. And then I've been using her desk as like my little vanity since I've been here, because this is the room that I'm staying in. And it's so pink and girly. These are like her little shelves. And that bunny is just too cute. And then she has this. And it has like her little couch in there with her name on it. And her books beside it. And these are just some of the room that I'm sleeping in. When you walk in, there's a really cute white bunny on the floor next to the mirror. And then you turn the corner. This is her bedding and linen closet. And then this is her room. So this is where I've been sleeping. And it's just so cute. And I use her desk as like my little vanity for all of my makeup. And then she's got like stuff on her little shelves. And then her TV. And some cute little pictures. Everything's like white, gold, and pink. Her little chair with her name on it. And these are some of my favorite books to read when I stay in here. I like to read Just Being Audrey. Ooh. Different like Coco Chanel. And then Madeline. Those are some of my favorite little books to read when I'm in here. And then I love her curtains because they have these little pom-poms. And that's her little nightstand with her flowers. And so cute. And then her bathroom's my favorite part. It's just super girly and vintagey and just so cute. Everything is pink and marble and gold, and it's just beautiful. I posted this on my Instagram, but these are just like some of my favorite skincare products that I love to use at the moment. I use the whole line. I think I use the face wash, the skin moisturizer, the 24K eye auxiliary, and then that's a sunscreen. And then at certain times of the month I do use a different face wash just because this one is for drier skin. But yeah, and then I use the makeup removing wipes, and then I just have some of my favorite little cute bottled perfumes on her sink. And then yeah, so cute. And then this is her tub, which is like so vintagey princess. To me, it's like vintage princessy. And it's like golden marble. And I have my body wash. And then this is like her little body washes and shampoos. Yeah, and then that's her little step stooly thing so that she can reach. She's brushing her teeth. So cute. And then, don't mind my messes, but this is her closet. I should probably have fixed some of that, but look at her purse collection, you guys. This is her little purse collection. It's so cute. So cute. And then all of her jewelry and stuff is up here. She was changing like costumes and stuff. She had on like this Superman outfit a few minutes ago. And then, yeah, all of her sunglasses are here. And then her necklaces and bracelets. She's got some hair clips in there. She has a cute little Insta X camera. Yeah. And these are all of her like princessy dresses up here. And then my stuff's on the floor, so I won't show you that. But yeah, and then there's me. Yeah, so this is what I look like right now. We're just chilling. It's a chill day because I can't technically show you guys me really because my front facing camera isn't working. But yeah, that's why I couldn't really like vlog or do much. I wanted to do a Huda beauty palette review and I just couldn't because my front facing camera isn't working and I don't have a regular camera. I use my phone camera, so yeah, it's a chill day. Oh, here's Kaden with pizza.
Hi.
Can I have a kiss?
Yeah.
I love you. Here is her dining room and she had it all set up for Thanksgiving. I should have like taken a picture or taken videos that day, but it was, I got in that day and I was really tired and kind of just ate, and then the rest of the night we were like having fun and playing games. But this was her Thanksgiving setup. So cute. Yeah, she did a really good job setting up for Thanksgiving. It was so pretty. So here's my sister's room, and she's probably gonna get mad at me for showing you guys her closet. It's a little messy, but
And me with my belly button
look
sticking
at
out.
the shoe collection.
This is me. And me.
Kylie wants to do an outfit of the day. What are you wearing, Kylie? Tell us what you're wearing.
I'm Supergirl.
Okay.
I can fly.
You're super cute.
I'm flying.
So shoes. Look at how
And then that's my teeth. Look.
And then here's her collection of bags. She's got a few good ones. These are all her Chanel bags. And then I think she puts all
Let me
her
do it.
Gucci
Let me do
ones
it. Let
over
me.
there.
Let me do it.
And Kylie, can't see on this.
I want to do it.
No, hold on. Let me get the purse first. So I'm just gonna
I
take
will show them the
this
stuff.
bag upstairs to my room because.
I will show them the stuff.
Okay, hold on. Because I want to pair it with an outfit and take a picture, I think. Actually, I might not do it until tomorrow, but how cute are all of these Chanel baggies? This is my favorite red one. I love the white one because it goes with like everything black and white. And then I love this one too, all the classic red quilted. She has a gray one. There's black. Some clothes here, but then she's got a black and white one. Or is that gray? And then she's got a big black one. And then she has a Celine bag. Those are like, she has a couple of Givenchy ones. This really pretty champagne colored Louis Vuitton. Where's Mommy's green? She used to have a green Chanel bag, but I can't find it. This Gucci bag is my all-time favorite.
I just find it.
So pretty. So cute. Just take this.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble. Gobble, gobble.
A look.
Gobble, gobble.
A look.
Gobble. Gobble, gobble.
How cute, you guys. Oh my god.
Gobble, gobble.
Gobble.
Gobble. Gobble, gobble.
Guy. But look at this bag. This is so pretty.
Gobble, gobble, gobble. Gobble.
The loved is outlined in pearls, and it's got
Gobble,
these
gobble,
pretty
gobble,
flowers
gobble.
on it.
Gobble, gobble,
I
gobble.
need this bag.
Gobble, gobble, gobble.
Okay, Kylie wants you guys to see her
Gobble, gobble.
and not the bag.
Gobble, gobble. Gobble, 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 gobble.
And then here are her clothes. How funny is this? So
Go, go, go.
I didn't bring any clothes with me. I've been asking her for like outfits, and she goes, "I don't have any. I don't have
Snowman.
any. I don't have any." And what is this? What is all of this? Like you have clothes for days. Guys, I will show you guys my closet when I get home. It's literally nothing at all. You know, it's funny. I think she ordered this dress like 2 years ago, maybe. We were in Indy for a Christmas party and never wore it.
Mommy,
It's really pretty.
mommy,
I actually might take this to wear to my work Christmas
Mommy.
party this year.
mommy. Here.
What is this?
I try to show you.
This is beautiful. Kai, I'm trying to do a vlog. I'll look at your art in a second.
I want them to see my art.
Okay, we'll look at it in a second.
What's this?
I'm obsessed with that sweater, and I might have to go online and see if I can find it. Sounds really cute. Kind of reminds me of like Chanel, Gucci, something.
Mommy.
How cute!
Dopey.
All right, Kai, let's go.
Dopey.
Ooh, pretty. Let's go. All right, you guys. So I'm actually gonna go ahead and end this vlog. I'm sitting in the office. I'm about to go ahead and work on editing it and getting it posted for you guys. But I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what other kinds of things that you guys would like to see in my day-to-day vlogs. I do try and put like hauls and things in them because I feel like it makes it more interesting, more fun, and it's a better way than just sitting there and showing you guys stuff in a video. You know, just a little bit more fun. So yeah, let me know what you guys think of this. But until next time, I will see you guys later. Kisses. Bye.